Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the new Nike Air Jordan 1 Rare Air. As you can see, this is the box. It's got this aged look. I got this in US size 10 or Euro 44. Yeah, the top of the box, and sides. Yeah, and the other side as well. So yeah, it's got this real cool weathered look. Anyways, I'll just open the box now. So the wrapping paper is this real cool. So I'm seeing this for the first time as well, but yeah, it's showing all the, I guess, the Rare Air designs, which is like inspired about us. I believe inspired from early concept designs. Really cool. Wait, I'll just, yeah, showing all the details. But anyways, let's have a look at the shoes themselves. Sweet. Okay. Sweet. Okay. Here is the lift shoe. It has this beautiful blue color and fabric material on the collar. It comes with yellow, like aged midsoles, which is a cool detail. Slightly, it has a black swoosh, but it does have red, like a red, I guess, coloring on it as well. Yeah. So you can see the heel. On the left shoe, the Wings logo says Nike Air. Yeah. The laces are pre-started here. Yeah, the tongue. And the bottom of the shoe. On the right shoe, I guess the most noticeable difference is it does say Air Jordan on the Wings logo, and it is cool. It's cool. It's quite like a mismatch. Yeah, it's a cool detail. Again, pre-started on the laces. Oh, and we do have white laces as well. If that's your preference. Comes in this. I'll just open it up. Yep, very cool. It's not completely white. I think it's like a bit yellow as well, which matches the appearance of the shoe. Yep. Sweet. I guess I'll lace them up, then I'll try them on a. Right, so I've laced them up and I've put them on feet. This is how they look. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, they're very. I think they look very good and they're quite comfortable. Yeah, I recommend half size up, which I did, and it just fits perfectly. All right. Thank you for watching.